Regulations will be effected until May 29th. This is according to a Gazette notice from Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i that emphasized that the curfew regulations in the 5 counties marked red zone shall remain as it is. Meanwhile, the Council of Governors have pointed out to a possible shortage of COVID-19 vaccines as a result of increased demands and uptake among Kenyans. Our health reporter Zainab Mohammed has more.
When the new curfew hours was announced on the 26th of March, President Uhuru Kenyatta said the regulations will be in use until further notice, a matter that gave many Kenyans anxiety, not knowing how long the regulations will be in place. But that's over now, as a Gazette notice from the Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i says the new curfew regulations shall expire on May 29th. The Gazette notice, however, emphasizes that the new curfew hours in the red zone shall remain as is. Meanwhile, the Council of Governors have pointed out to a possible shortage of COVID-19 vaccines due to increased uptake among Kenyans. According to Kisumu Governor Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, most of the supplies in the region have been depleted.
Since the leadership of both the national and county government took the vaccine publicly, the confidence of the citizens was enhanced, and there's a serious demand for the vaccine now. Many county governments have depleted resources of what they had in store. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a good sign, but also a challenge since we have a shortage in other counties in the country and globally.
The governors further say, even though the positivity rate in the country is slowly going down, the number of infections in the counties bordering the red zone is rising steadily.
We note that community transmissions have started increasing, and other counties out of the zoned area, that is mainly Nairobi and Nakuru, are experiencing a surge in COVID-19 infections, including my own county, Kisumu.
Nationally, the country has recorded 981 new COVID-19 cases from a sample size of 7,528 tested in the last 24 hours. The total confirmed positive cases are now standing at 148,128 cases. 3 people have succumbed to the virus in the last 24 hours, whereas 23 others died on diverse deaths in the last month, pushing the national COVID-19 fatalities to 2,420 deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.